Okay, I didn't record much because I forgot to record, but I'll give you guys an update on what I did. So, I'm preparing my car for up north. So I swapped my old tires back on because they're smaller, don't wear as fast as these, and they have a better balance because these tires, they're, I don't know what their tread, it's 340 tread wear here. So going 3 hours up north and 3 hours back is gonna put a dent in them, and they have a little bit of a shake, sadly. So I wasn't gonna use those. So I just put these back on. The fronts are okay, but the backs are a little bit not as good, but it's only for a little bit. But anyways, yeah, so now my car's ugly. And I did a very ghetto exhaust fix. So one of my hangers somewhat rusted and broke off my exhaust. So I did this to fix it. See if I can get a good, if I can focus here. There it goes. There you go. Now you can see. So that right here completely broke off the pipe and took a piece of pipe with it, so there's a huge hole. So it's causing it to leak and be really loud, and it's causing it to hit this cross member somewhere up here right there for the cat, and this cross member back here. So it just sounded like a hoopty. So I took an aluminum Rockstar can, put it over the hole, got some exhaust wrapped it a couple times, took a hose clamp to, where's the other one? There's two of them. Took a hose clamp right there and right there, and now it works okay, because now I'll do a little startup clip. Now the thing doesn't rattle or anything. I'll probably go over the footage and see that the thing like rattled or something, but for now it actually sounds decent again, and it doesn't like shake, and it doesn't leak that bad. Here, I'll show you. That's that. Back here I broke a hanger, so I got some tie wire going through the old hanger's point to keep that up. And I did somewhat of the same thing with this hanger up here. Here, let's focus back in. Let's see if you can see it. You can somewhat see it right there. See that? That's also hanger. Well, tie wire holding up my exhaust. I'm gonna let my car warm up a little bit so you guys can hear some pops. And while we wait for my car to warm up, one thing that I did over the summer is we finally got a new bumper for me. We bought this online, primered, and we painted it ourselves. Obviously you can see the color match isn't perfect, but for at home, if you come far away, you don't really notice it. And most people don't notice it anyways until I point it out to them. I did the whole blacked out front end thing here, this. I think I showed you this in the last video. Effed up right there, whatever. Light bar, blah, blah, blah. These guys still see my kind of hacked cocked up, whatever, it's okay. I'm gonna end up painting these strips black to match the back on here, but I gotta repaint these because I didn't do a good job. And here, if it focuses, come on. There's like water got in it, but whatever. And I gotta adjust this because it's causing damage right here. You can't really see that on camera, but there's like a line there. But I loosened this up and everything, it just won't move, so I gotta figure something like that. Yeah, that's about it. It's a Ghetto Versa. Got these in here. I also have a CB antenna hooked up, which you can't really see, which is good. It's somewhat incognito. And pause this music because my phone's like far away anyways. Got all the switches, fog lights, halos, plus dash cam, and radar detectors. I used to have a GPS one, a SC55, and then there's whatever the other one is. But I gotta take this out and just only run because the GPS activated one, I kind of blew up because of I had a power surge when I had to jump my car, and I didn't turn the switch off, so it sent some power and fried it. Whatever. And then here's the light bar. That's Verka. It's got that in here. I don't know what else to show you guys. If anyone even watches this video, you can comment on what you want me to show you. Obviously, you got the fake MIDWAY badge and stuff, and the subs. Tight, and then every time you open that, you gotta just make that disappear. Other than that, that's about it. I also had to buy another set of these because I lost the lock, the custom whatever thing. Dumb mistake, whatever. And then, gotta get new tires. I'm gonna get some cheap, like all seasons, because I can't really afford anything that nice like these. Because I got all of this for $300, including the tires, which are Bridgestone Lenzas. So they're decent tires. Yeah, I'm just gonna throw the hubcaps back on for now until I can get some money to buy some new tires. Obviously those will be fine, but I'm gonna just keep them on for now because I don't feel like switching it back. Anyways, I'm gonna give you guys a little exhaust note thing here. If you guys want to hear it, hopefully. If not, whatever. You still get to hear it. That's that. And then here's the leak. You don't really even hear it leak. At least I can't hear anything, so I'm happy. Anyways, that's what I did today. Just getting the Versa ready. I'm gonna clean the interior. That's about it. So that's kind of got a 2-in-1 of what I did. Yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. See you next time.